Greetings of the day students. In this video, we are going to discuss about the types of alternators, right? Based upon the application, we are going to have automotive alternators used in modern automobiles, right? And also we are going to have diesel electric locomotive alternators which will be used in the diesel electric multiple units, and we are going to have marine alternators used in marine applications, brushless alternators used in electric power generation plants as the main source of power, and also radio alternators which are used for low band radio frequency transmission. And based on the design, we are going to have salient pole type alternators and smooth cylindrical type alternators. These are the different types of alternators we are having. I repeat again: automotive alternators, diesel electric locomotive alternators, marine alternators, brushless alternators, radio alternators, salient pole type, and smooth cylindrical type, right? Thank you.